Yo, hey, you heard about MGE? What you hear about him? Whoa. Alright, this Money Game Entertainment in the building. Yo. Whoa. The game kind of crazy, you know? But listen to me. Alright. Whoa. Whoa. Get him. Alright. Yo, I got a left girl, tell her she could act right. But I'm kinda high, like a crack pipe. But listen to me, dog, game never been true. And everybody in this game, man, I fucking knew. Man, I swear every girl that I fucking screw is something that you little boys need to use. I got my tools, went to school, now I graduated. Now everybody fucking like me. They said, Najee, how you be rapping out? I be like, I don't know. I used to rap, I'm trapping out. I'm trapping out and blasting out. You lame niggas are rashing out. And I ain't messing with y'all niggas and y'all little doubts. I just got my guns up and my squad with me. I be in church, I got my God with me. See what y'all doing, I got y'all sued and y'all tired. First you lose, then you drive and y'all live, but I survive. See, I don't play no more and I've been hustling all day. 21-0, that's the score. Under 10 is me, I'm the best in everything. And you buying every piece of jewelry and this a ring. This is like a diamond, please don't try me. What y'all niggas was thinking that y'all could blind me. I got my glasses going and they HD. Man, I'm rapping high style, you should pay me.